Okay, so I wanted to introduce you, if you've not seen it already, those of you who have an iPad and a pencil, Notability is a great app. It's free on the App Store, and it's my go-to for writing notes, also for when I want to record short videos for the students to reuse in the future. It's also a great place as well. So if I come out of here and open it up, there it is. Okay. So you'll see it will come up with, this is your kind of landing page as it were. You can create a new, some of the things that it's got across the top here, if I go from left to right, this allows you to save your doc once you've created it in a Google Drive, or you can email it, or you can share it to people. It will also be able to share it in different formats, so you can share it as or save it as a PDF if you wanted to, or as another Notability file, really up to you. But it's a good way of, once you've created some notes, of saving them and then being able to reuse them or refer back to, depending on whether you're a member of staff or a student. Moving across the top bar then, you have this, which allows you to create text boxes. So if you wanted to type some stuff, you can do that. You can also use the free writing pencil, choose different colours, and also choose different sizes if you wanted to, and styles, okay, and different thicknesses. There you go, this is the pencil. Okay. There is also a highlighter option, which is very good, particularly if you're highlighting text, as I'll show you in a later document. So if we choose that, we can highlight this. Okay. If we change our mind on any aspect to this, we can also erase. Okay. Another great option that you've got here is the ability to record voice memos, which is happening at the moment. That's also a pretty smart feature. Over on the plus sign here, you can also bring in photos from your photo library. You can take a photograph, let's say, of a board with some notes on, or something interesting that you've seen that you want to bring in there and import. You can also scan documents, put stickers and GIFs in there if that's your thing. So it's a really good way of creating notes that you might want to reuse time and again. Let me show you an example of this, just from a lesson today actually. So with my Year 7s today, we were running through our task-specific clarification before they went and did it. So as I was explaining this in the class, I was highlighting, I was adding in extra notes, explaining in a bit more detail aspects of the different criteria and the kinds of things that we are looking for. And then I was able to share it with myself, and then save it as a PDF, and then this PDF is now on the Google Classroom for the students to refer back to should they wish. Another way that I've used this in the past is, much as I'm doing now, let me open this one, is by opening up the recording option. At the moment you can see it's flashing red, and with a microphone attached, or even without, is create these kind of short explainer videos for how to go about annotating a text, let's say, or particularly those common things that common mistakes that students make, and you find yourself saying the same thing year after year, term after term, almost week after week. You think, just go and watch this video and this explains it to you. So this is quite a good way of doing it using Notability and just the built-in video function on the iPads. There's a few more bits and bobs and a bit more detail that I could go into and more examples that I could show you. But if you've got any questions, come and see me or drop me an email or a chat, and really happy to speak about this brilliant app and explain a little bit more about how it works and how I use it to, I guess, stop me reinventing the wheel and just being a bit more efficient with my time. Hope that's been useful. Please get in touch if you've got any questions at all. Have a good weekend. Bye-bye.